Then I snuck up and to have a look, and there was 2 big sea trouts there. Hi everyone, and welcome to yet another vlog from the water. Today we're out on the first trip of the year for fishing with the foam beetle for sea trout. I know it's a bit early, but a friend of mine was here a couple of days ago and he spotted 2 or 3 good, really good sea trouts. So there are fish in the river. It's just you know, up to me to see if I'm skilled enough to actually get them to grab my fly. But we'll know more as the day progresses. Welcome to another vlog. Let's go get some. Out here was the most productive spot from last year with the foam beetle. This is basically what we call, you know, the vending machine, because there was always a sea trout there. But as I said, it's very early, so I was not sure if there would be one. So I fished it, and I fished it really well. You know, the fly was exactly at the spot where it should be, just out here, where the deep water is. And I got 4 or 5 perfect drifts, and nothing happened. And then I snuck up and to have a look, and there was 2 big sea trouts there, or fairly big, you know, 50 centimeters or so. 2 fish that I definitely would have liked to have caught, of course. But well, I didn't on these. But this means that they have entered the river, and it bodes really, really well for the rest of the day. So stay tuned. I hope I'm gonna hook into one very soon. Well, we fished the entire stretch of the water here. I didn't see any more sea trouts. I had a fish that grabbed the fly just in one of these bends where there was a lot of weed in the way. So I cast upstream to a spot where I couldn't see the fly. But the waves that came downstream from this fish looks really, really good. So I'm very sure that was a sea trout. But I didn't strike it because I didn't hook him because basically I could not see that he grabbed the fly, and I didn't feel any contact. So I don't know. At least I know that they're here now. So from now on and throughout the summer, it's gonna be a lot of foam beetle mayhem as always. The line I've been using today is the new Dart V2, which is a line I helped design and helped to build. It has a very, very short belly, 7.1 meters, and it fishes just amazingly well for small waters like this, or for water where you just want to load your rod really fast. So check that one out. That is a cool line, and I'm very happy that Rio decided to go with the specifications that I asked them to. That is going to be, I think, during this summer, it's going to be our top-selling line for sure. So check that out. Otherwise, thank you for watching. And there's a lot of mosquitoes here, so if the camera is a bit jiggly, that's just because I'm trying to fend those off. Well, no sea trout today, but thank you a lot for watching, and all the best of luck out on the water.